A centre which gives free legal advice to asylum seekers has been closed down. The Immigration Advisory Service in Bristol was funded indirectly by the government. It has 400 cases outstanding and staff say they don't know where their clients will now find help. Sally Challoner reports.
This man arrived at the centre for his appointment while we were filming. He didn't want to be interviewed, but told me he'd lost his entire family during the war in Afghanistan. He's seeking asylum here and doesn't know what he'll do now. The man helping him is Mark Shepherd. He lost his job when the office was closed without notice on Friday. They're dealing with 400 live cases here, but the notes are in boxes locked inside or taken away.
Boxes will be all original documents, passports, bank statements, birth certificates, marriage certificates, statements from asylum seekers, which are obviously highly confidential, our attendance notes, Home Office records. We've got people who, are facing the end of their visa, need to contact the Home Office. This is an absolute disaster.
The charity has gone into administration nationally, owing millions to the Legal Aid Fund. A government body is now looking into the urgent cases and will invite other providers to take up the charity's work. Staff here hope it'll be them, perhaps acting as a social enterprise.
If you want people to have legal status to be able to work and be able to pay taxes and to contribute to the economy, a lot of these people were welcomed into the country. They're nurses in our hospitals, or they're students, work permit holders, their wives, husbands, children are British citizens. These aren't just outcasts of people, this is not Fortress Britain.
Another man turned up while we were there. Again, he didn't want to be identified, but told me about the life he's fled from. He worked on a farm owned by a white man in Zimbabwe. When the owner was murdered, he and his colleagues were targeted as traitors. That was 11 years ago. He's still waiting for an appeal hearing.
I don't know what's going to happen with my case because, I don't have any means to find an alternative solicitor since it's closed. I don't know what else to do.
Bristol celebrates its hugely diverse makeup. 80,000 people came to the St Paul's Carnival recently. But now that sanctuary is threatened, and hundreds seeking it don't know where to turn. Sally Challoner, BBC Points West, Bristol.